Matomo Analytics. Create custom report by IP geolocation. Firstly, go to blog.ip2location.com. Search for Create Custom Report in Matomo. Select this article. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to create a custom report in Matomo to display geolocation information such as country code, region name, city name, and so on. I will not cover the installation of the IP2Location Matomo plugin or IP2Location database in this tutorial. I will assume that you have already done the setup. For Linux users, you may enter the below commands to turn on the developer mode and generate the report. For Windows users, you may follow my commands as I am using the Windows platform. Open your command prompt, navigate to your project folder. To turn on the developer mode, enter PHP console development, enable, and run it. Then, enter PHP console generate report and run it to create the custom report. Enter IP2Location for the plugin name. Enter IP2Location report for the report name. Enter visitors for the report category. Leave the rest of the questions blank. Go back to the IP2Location tutorial page. Copy this code. Go to your project folder, Plugins, IP2Location, open the API.php, replace the get IP2Location report function with the codes copied just now. This function will look up for geolocation information by using the IP2Location plugin based on the visitor IP. Save the file. Go back to the IP2Location tutorial page. Copy this code. Then, go to your project folder, Plugins, IP2Location Reports. Open get IP2Location report.php. Paste the code inside the init function. This is the menu title that will be shown under the visitors report section. Go to the IP2Location tutorial page. Copy this code. Go back to the text editor. Paste the code inside the init function. This data array will be used to keep the geolocation information for the display that we added in the get IP2Location report function. Go to IP2Location tutorial page. Copy this code. Go to the text editor. Paste the code inside the configure view function. This code is used for the column headers display. Then, edit this code to this matrix. Save the file. Now, log into your Matomo admin area. Go to Visitors, IP2Location Report. This is the custom report created. That's all.